We're gonna get Daddy's car washed.
No!
What's the matter, darling? No, we're not gonna go through it. They're gonna wash it by hand. Oh my goodness. Alexia? What? We've got to get out now.